Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to explain to you why GIDLE is so successful. So please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and always be up to date. So let's get it started. GIDLE, a South Korean girl group, has garnered considerable success in the K-pop industry. Here are some reasons why GIDLE is considered successful. 1. Unique and versatile sound. Sad-faced GIDLE is known for their distinct and versatile sound, which combines elements of pop, hip-hop, EDM, and various other genres. They have consistently released music that stands out, pushing creative boundaries and offering a fresh perspective in the industry. 2. Strong stage presence and performance skills. The members of GIDLE possess captivating stage presence and impressive performance skills. They deliver powerful and charismatic performances, capturing the attention of viewers with their energy and expressions. 3. Songwriting and production involvement. Sad-faced GIDLE actively participates in the songwriting and production process, showcasing their creative input and musical talent. This involvement allows them to express their individuality and contribute to the overall sound and concept of their music. 4. Engaging and relatable lyrics. Sad-faced GIDLE's music often incorporates meaningful and relatable lyrics, addressing various themes such as self-empowerment, identity, and personal experiences. These lyrics resonate with listeners, creating a strong connection with their fanbase. 5. Global recognition and international appeal. Sad-faced GIDLE has gained international recognition and popularity, expanding their fanbase beyond South Korea. They have successfully toured internationally and collaborated with international artists, contributing to their global appeal. 6. Fan engagement and interaction. Sad-faced GIDLE actively engages with their fans, known as Neverland, through social media platforms, fan events, and live broadcasts. They show appreciation for their fans' support and create a sense of community, strengthening their bond with their dedicated fanbase. 7. Visual aesthetics and fashion. Sad-faced GIDLE has a strong visual aesthetic and is recognized for their stylish fashion choices. They create visually appealing music videos and stage performances that contribute to their overall appeal. 8. Support from Cube Entertainment. Sad-faced GIDLE is under the management of Cube Entertainment, which provides support, resources, and strategic guidance. The agency's backing has played a role in the group's visibility, promotions, and opportunities. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.